The benefits of eating watermelon every day. What if I told you that there's a delicious fruit out there that can help you stay hydrated, boost your health, and even make your skin glow? Yes, that's right, it's watermelon. Eating watermelon every day isn't just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of benefits that you might not even be aware of. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to your kitchen for a slice or maybe even a whole watermelon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn more. Let's dive into the juicy details. First up, hydration. Did you know that watermelon is made up of about 92% water? This makes it one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat. Especially during those hot summer days, a slice of watermelon can keep you refreshed and rehydrated, making it a fantastic snack choice. And it's not just about water, this fruit is rich in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while vitamin C helps your immune system stay strong. So, every bite is a step toward better health. Now, let's talk about those summer workout sessions. Watermelon is perfect for post-exercise recovery. Why? Because it contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help reduce muscle soreness. So, next time you hit the gym, remember to refuel with some watermelon for a tasty recovery boost. Looking for a low-calorie snack? Watermelon has only about 30 calories per 100 grams. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the added sugar and calories found in many snacks. Toss it into your fruit salad, blend it into a smoothie, or simply enjoy it on its own. The options are endless. And here's a fun fact. Watermelon can also be great for your skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in watermelon can help improve your skin's elasticity and give you a natural glow. Plus, some beauty enthusiasts even use watermelon juice as a refreshing face mask. Talk about a two-in-one deal. But wait, there's more. Watermelon is packed with antioxidants, such as lycopene and beta-carotene. These powerful compounds can help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lycopene, in particular, has been linked to heart health and may even help lower blood pressure. Finally, let's not forget the social aspect. Sharing a watermelon with friends or family can create lasting memories. Whether at a summer barbecue or a picnic in the park, watermelon brings people together one juicy slice at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating watermelon into your daily diet and enjoy all these amazing benefits. Remember, the key to a healthier lifestyle is not just about what you eat, but also about enjoying the journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love for watermelon together.